Phet is a resource that is established by the University of Colorado at Boulder and was originally called Physics Education Technology, but is now expanded into many other areas. And this video is going to give an introduction to the Phet website as well as the knowledge community that it's been established. And the front page, there's some information about the website as well as the information about the program that they've enacted there. And once you click on the Play with Sims, you can see all the different subject areas represented here that the simulations are under. So there's physics, biology, chemistry, earth science, math, and others listed there. And for the demonstration today, we're going to take a look at the gas properties simulation, which I already have established here. All of the simulations are interactive, and so all of them have a little bit different flavor to them. In this case here, I'm going to go ahead and put some particles inside our system here. What's really nice with these simulations is they give you real-time data and they make the invisible visible. So you can see here these are molecules, and this is the pressure gauge here, which you can actually see the pressure gauge is based on how many times those little particles hit the side of the pressure gauge, and this is giving the temperature in Kelvin. So what we're going to do is I'm going to go ahead and add heat to this, and you'll see here the pressure rising and the temperature rising, and so it's really helpful for the students to be able to get a really good visual of this. As you can see here, this is a mannequin I'm gonna control here to push this together, and as we know, as the volume compresses here, pressure is going to go up, temperature is going to go up. So this is really helpful in understanding the gas laws, and so all the simulations are really helpful in that respect. Let's go ahead and make the volume really big. Pressure drops, temperature drops, and the students will be able to interact with this. And in a classroom setting, the teacher can establish this and have the students make observations, and then they can bring their kind of collaborative work together to be able to discuss and explain what they think is going on, creating hypotheses for the different things that they're looking at. And this can be really helpful in terms of enacting the classroom as a community, bringing information together as a student, as the students kind of interact there. And so on another level, which is really nice, is if you scroll down below the simulation, there is a listing of resources produced by others in the field, and these resources are produced many by the University of Colorado, but also from others. For instance, here the Jefferson County Middle School Workshop, they created a resource here, and this setup here is a really great example of knowledge community as well. All the simulations have this option where instructors and teachers can submit their lessons that they've created to be able to share with the whole community. What we're going to highlight here is the kinetic molecular theory introduction, inquiry-based, and when you pull that up, this lesson was established with a learning goal and gives instructions for the student. In addition to this, this person, as they submitted their idea, let's go ahead and click on there, also submitted the teacher instructions and other resources, including PowerPoint, to be able to relate to this lab. And so this is just a great network. It's all free and open source, and is a really great resource for teachers as well as students that really want to be able to see the visible, or the what's invisible, and bring it into the visible realm as well as practice and work through the things that they're learning.